Hello, dear students. Welcome back. Today, we are going to take one concept from the managerial economics or business economics, which is cost analysis. And from that concept, we are going to calculate here different costs based on the given information here. If we see here, we are given output and we are given total cost. So output, it starts with 0 and then goes on to 6 units, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And we are given a total cost here at these different output levels. Here the total cost is 40 at level 1, or the output level 1. The total cost is 80 rupees. Here at 2 it is 110, at output 3 it is 126, 4 128, 5 135 and 6 180. So first what we have to calculate is total fixed cost. So here total fixed cost we are going to calculate. So we can say two ways how to calculate this total fixed cost. One way is the total cost that we are taking at zero output level would be our total fixed cost, or else we know the formula for calculation of total cost. We know total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost, right? When our output is 0, the total variable cost will be 0, and hence total fixed cost will be equal to what? The total cost. Because when there is no production, there won't be any variable cost, and hence total fixed cost will be equal to the total cost. So here our total cost is 40, and this is going to remain same for all the levels of production, right? This is going to remain same, and hence we are going to write down this total fixed cost same for all the levels of output. Now we have total variable cost here, right? So we know total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost, right? This is the formula for calculation of total cost. And hence how are we going to calculate the total variable cost? It will be total cost minus total fixed cost, isn't it? So TVC, total variable cost, is equal to total cost minus total fixed cost. That means 40 minus 40 is how much? 40 minus 40 is 0, right? Then we have 80 minus 40 is how much? It is 40. So we are going to write down how much here? 40. Then we have 110 minus 40. 110 minus 40 is how much? It is 70, right? Then we have 126 minus 40. It is how much? It is 86, right? Then we have 128 minus 40 is how much? It is 88. Then we have 135 minus 40. It is how much? It is 95. Then we have 180 minus 40. 180 minus 40 is how much? It is 140. So this is how we can calculate total variable cost. Now we have average cost. What is the formula for average cost? Average cost is equal to total cost divided by the output, that is Q, right? Average cost is equal to total cost divided by Q. So what is our total cost here? Total cost is 40. So it is very simple. When there is no output, there is only what? Total cost, or we can say the fixed cost. So here it is total cost is how much? 40. 40 divided by 0 is what? 40 divided by 0 is, it is error, or I can say infinity, right? So we are going to write down here, like we'll put dash here. Then we have again total cost divided by Q. Total cost is 80. 80 divided by 1 is how much? 80 divided by 1 is, it is 80. Then we have 110 divided by 2 is how much? 110 divided by 2 is 55. Then we have 126 divided by 3. 126 divided by 3 is how much? Is 42. Then we have 128. 128 divided by 4 is how much? It is 32. Then we have 135. 135 divided by 5 is how much? It is 27, right? Then we have 180 divided by 6 is how much? It is 30. Fine. Then we have to calculate average fixed cost. So we have a formula for average fixed cost is equal to total fixed cost divided by Q. So average fixed cost is equal to total fixed cost divided by Q, right? So this would be our what? This would be our uh, average fixed cost. So here if we see average fixed cost is 40 here. 40 divided by 0 is how much? It is infinity. Then we have again average 40 cost is 40. Total fixed cost is 40 and output is 1. So average fixed cost will be total fixed cost, which is 40, divided by 1 is how much? It is 40. Then we have again total fixed cost is how much? It is 40. 40 will remain same for all. So 40 divided by 2 is how much? It is 20. Then we have 40 divided by 3 is how much? It is 13.33, right? Then we have 40 divided by 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Then we have 40 divided by 5. It is 40 divided by 5 is 8. Then we have 40 divided by 6 is how much? It is 6.67. Then we have next one, that is average variable cost. So average variable cost is equal to, we have a formula for that, is equal to total variable cost divided by Q. This is how we calculate average variable cost. Now where is our total variable cost? Total variable cost is this, and to this we are going to divide by the respective output. Fine. So first is total variable cost. What is our total variable cost? It is 0. 0 divided by 0 is how much? 0 divided by 0 is 0, right? Then we have next one, total variable cost. Total variable cost is how much? 40. 40 divided by 1. 40 divided by 1 is how much? It is 40. Then we have again total variable cost. It is how much? 70. 70 divided by 2 is how much? It is 35. Then we have what is our total variable cost now? Total variable cost is 86. 86 divided by 3 is how much? It is 28.67. Then we have next average variable cost is how much? Total variable cost is how much? Total variable cost is 88. 88 divided by 4 is how much? It is 22. Then we have 95 here. Total variable cost is 95. 95 divided by 5 is how much? It is 19. Then we have 140. 140 divided by 6 is how much? 140 divided by 6 is 23.33. Right. Now we have here a marginal cost. How are we going to calculate marginal cost? Marginal cost we are going to calculate from the total cost, this data which is given here. So here we have nothing. Now this is 80 minus 40, because how do we calculate total this marginal cost? Marginal cost is equal to like TCN minus TCN minus 1. So here now it is 80 minus 40. 80 minus 40 is how much? It is 40. Then we have 110 minus 80. 110 minus 80 is 30. Then we have 126 minus 110. That is how much? It is 16. Then we have what? 128 minus 26 is how much? It's 2. Then we have 135 minus 128. 135 minus 128 is how much? It is 7. Right? Yes. Then we have 180 minus 135, and we are going to get how much? 45. So this is how we can calculate different costs based on the given data set available. So here we could calculate like total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost, and marginal cost when we were only given two variables here. One is output and other is total cost. Thank you so much for watching this video.